If you're having issue with your MoonPay app, I'm going to show you a couple of methods how you can fix it. First off, you can restart your device here, so restart it. And then after you restart it, you can go to your Wi-Fi section here, and then you want to turn off Wi-Fi, and then try with data. If data doesn't work, then turn on Wi-Fi, and then turn off data. See if any of those work. So after that's done, you want to go ahead and go to your settings here, and then you want to check if there's any operating system update for your device. So for example, here, I'm going to go to my About Phone section here. And on my About Phone section here, you can see I don't have any OS version here that I need to update. So I'm all good, right? Now, if this doesn't work, then go back here. Now, once here, you want to make sure you've got the latest version of the MoonPay app as well on your store here, you can see. Now, right now, I just have the MoonPay on the most latest version as well, so it'll be no problem. Now, once that's done, this is an Android only option, by the way, but if you want to do this, you can go ahead and go to the search settings here, and then you want to search for apps. Now on apps, let's just go here, and then you want to find apps here. Now on apps, go to manage apps. On manage apps, you want to go ahead and go to the section here, and then you want to go to type in MoonPay like this. And then on MoonPay, you want to tap on clear all data like this, and then tap on OK. Now, once that's done, see if it works. If that doesn't work, and if this is also an Apple device, you can just uninstall like this, uninstall, and then try reinstalling the device, and then also logging back in again. Now, what if it's on web? Let's move on to our computer now. Now, if it's on web, it's a tiny bit more complicated because usually web issues are on their end, right? So there's nothing you can do about it because you have nothing issue with on your own device. It's purely on their end that's faulty. Now, if you can't access the web like this, if it's giving a white screen like this, there's a couple of things you can do. First off, you want to press on F5 like this. This will do a hard refresh, right? Basically, it'll just refresh everything, including cache, cookies, things like that. And you can see when I press F5, it'll load eventually, right? Now, if that doesn't work, you can try using a VPN as well. Right now, I'm using a VPN. You can see I'm using a VPN like this. You can try using a VPN if you'd like. But other than that, there's not much other method for you to actually go to your website there. Usually, if it's having issues, then it's on MoonPay's end. And if it's having a lot of issues, then you can also try to contact the customer support of MoonPay as well.